In 1977, NASA sent two spacecraft, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, toward the outer planets. It was meant to be a relatively short journey into the far reaches of our solar system. It turned out to be a long odyssey and made shocking discoveries at the farthest reaches of our solar system. Both Voyagers were designed to study Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, but they kept going far beyond entering uncharted cosmic territory. Today, over 45 years after their launch, these spacecraft have traveled billions of miles from Earth, sending back data that has rewritten what we know about our solar system's boundaries. The termination shock. The first barrier. Perhaps one of the biggest surprises was when Voyager 1 reached a region known as the termination shock in 2004. Here, charged particles from the Sun, known as the solar wind, slowed down dramatically, clashing against interstellar space. Scientists had actually predicted this boundary, but neither the location nor the conditions were at all understood until confirmed by Voyager 1, after which it was crossed by Voyager 2 in 2007, indicating that the termination shock was uneven and changing with time. 2. The heliopause, the real boundary of the solar system. Beyond the termination shock is the heliopause, the outermost boundary where the Sun's influence ends. In 2012, Voyager 1 made history by becoming the first human-made object to enter interstellar space. It detected a sharp drop in solar particles and a rise in cosmic rays from deep space, proving it had left the Sun's protective bubble. Voyager 2 followed in 2018, and shockingly, it found that the heliopause wasn't smooth. It had strange, unexpected layers. 3. The magnetic bubble. Isn't what we thought scientists once believed our solar system was surrounded by a smooth, oval-shaped magnetic bubble? But Voyager data shattered this idea. Instead, the Voyagers discovered that the Sun's protective shield, called the heliosphere, is shaped like a distorted, uneven bubble. It appears to be constantly changing due to interactions with interstellar winds and cosmic radiation. 4. Mysterious plasma oscillations. Probably one of the most astonishing findings is that of plasma waves and oscillations in space. Voyager 1 has reported unusual humming plasma waves in interstellar space when it crossed the heliopause, indicating that space beyond our solar system isn't silent after all, but energetic and in motion. This is something that had never been directly observed by humans. 5. Unseen pressure from interstellar space. Voyager 2's instruments uncovered something strange and inexplicable. The pressure in interstellar space is higher than what would be predicted. This is indicating that there must be forces that we can't yet account for operating outside of our solar system. One speculation is that supernova explosions or interstellar magnetic fields might be compressing this region, but no one really knows for sure. 6th, a potential wall of hydrogen. Voyager data hinted at something called the hydrogen wall, a buildup of interstellar hydrogen gas where the Sun's influence ends. This was predicted long ago but never confirmed until the Voyagers detected an increase in ultraviolet light scattering, suggesting that this mysterious wall might actually exist. 7. Space is even weirder beyond the solar system. Now, as they venture further into interstellar space, Voyagers bound onward, transmitting data. Ironically, scientists discovered that the reach of the Sun was more than they thought. Particles within the solar wind still interact with interstellar space even billions of miles away. This means our solar system does not just end, but rather dissolves into deep space. The final leg. Despite traveling at over 35,000 miles per hour, the Voyagers will take thousands of years to leave the gravitational influence of the Sun completely. Their power sources are slowly running out, and in the next decade, they will likely go silent forever. But their discoveries have forever changed how we understand the solar system. These twin spacecraft, built with 1970s technology, have outlived expectations and revealed the invisible boundaries of our cosmic neighborhood. Their journey has shown us that space is far more mysterious and dynamic than we ever imagined. And as they drift into eternity, they carry with them the golden record, a message from Earth, waiting to be found by an unknown civilization.